Go without color.
Yeah. Okay.
That's all.
You want to see the fast history?
Yeah, you can just show me that.
Yeah. Okay, we have
I
already.
sent some document through WhatsApp also. Through WhatsApp I sent some documents. So, Hindi was because there were a lot of things.
Yeah, yeah.
Do you know that Dr. Howland?
Yes.
I know. She recommended me to show you.
Yeah, I know her. I have come to your ADK hospital before.
Really?
Really?
Yes.
Well,
For visiting.
Yes, I had license there.
In 10 years before,
Before, yeah.
I have also done surgery in that Indira Gandhi hospital.
IGMS, right? Yeah. This is the last one, okay? This
Okay.
This is the last surgery. Cleft palate surgery we are only done in Maldives. The thing is, we previously is trying from Amrita 2-3 times. The thing is, they didn't do. They can't. The thing is, they have made.
But you already had a surgery.
Yeah, 2 times.
Yes.
From
And it's failure.
Yeah,
Yes.
failure. After surgery, then failure. From Maldives. Dr. Mayur, Indian
but
doctor.
it's little small. Previously it's very
Very
big.
big.
Be good.
Last year, September. Last year, September also we done. Previously we came from Amrita. The thing is, our medical scheme, our government can give for Amrita. That's why we came for Amrita previously.
Wait.
इनका चार्ट देना एक बार.
The tag wala.
The maintenance I need estimate cost and everything. Then we are planning to come at July. Is it okay?
Sure.
Because this is not our holiday. I get a holiday in July.
Okay.
This is our Eid holiday.
Yeah, he is
This
just.
is only 1 week this time. We will get in the July. We will get 1 month.
Vacation time.
Okay, we can do. No problem.
Tell me the estimate cost.
Yeah,
and
the-
everything. Give me
written
the.
documents for the cost estimate cost.
Yeah, see, the cost they will tell you outside.
Okay.
Appointment also you can take outside.
Yes.
I can tell you that I will be able to correct the problem.
Yeah.
Sure.
Yeah.
No problem
Now
about
we
that.
are giving some feed
Yeah.
from this app.
Only
Correct.
the night time I am
Night
using
time.
this.
Normally
tube.
give to oral.
Okay.
Only night time I am
All the
using.
things we are giving for oral.
But now why are you giving like this?
Because
The thing is not
we put
clear.
this in a 6 months.
Okay.
It was too small. She can't eat.
That's
now around 2 years she can eat through orally.
Okay.
With cleft palate.
That's why we previously from Amrita they can put. The thing is after that no doctor can refer to take or
Remove this
remove.
one.
That's why we
Because
are
mainly
removing.
she can't. If she sick, she can't take a food through mouth. That is the main reason they recommended.
If any doctor can recommend it, then we can, right? Without
Yeah.
recommending, we can't, right? That's why.
It's okay. Is it okay if she is a syndromic child
It's okay.
to do the surgery?
It's okay. Because you've already done the surgery, there is no contraindication for anesthesia.
Yeah.
We will still do the pediatric consultation and all the required tests and then do the surgery. He will keep her in the ICU for 1 or 2 days and you have to stay in the hospital for 5 to 6 days.
Okay.
Keep 1 week, Kalas. After that, you can go back to your country.
Yeah. Then
No problem.
Yeah. Inshallah, right?
Kinevi, we want to explore. Go and explore. No. Then say hi to doctor.
That will know. Okay, no,
Okay. The thing is, if we remove this cap after surgery, before surgery, if we remove this cap, how we are going to give food through?
No, we will not remove. See,
No.
I am specialist
Okay.
Yeah.
only for the face
Face,
and
yeah.
for the palate.
Yeah.
Okay.
For this, pediatrician, other specialist will
No,
see and tell you.
Like this, if after surgery food is given, no, through mouth.
You can give.
Then
Okay.
You don't worry about that. We'll take care.
after
No,
repairing
some
the palate,
doctors
then
is
there
recommended
are
me
no-
to not to remove this one because after cleft palate repair, she can't eat food around 1 week.
No,
Only
no,
the tape
no,
like
no.
feeding.
Don't worry.
Don't
I think the cleft palate problem is there for a lot of patients. Even though food is a little difficult, we can manage.
Yeah.
So depending on what the pediatric surgeon will tell about this, we'll make a separate call on that.
They told after cleft palate repair, then they can remove.
Okay,
this
so
one.
we
The
will
thing
finish
is-
the cleft palate.
Yeah.
Now the thing is half is completed. Right?
Correct, yeah.
No, that's why.
Well, not half. Actually, to do second time is more difficult than first time.
Yeah, he told doctor from all this also they told that.
It's very difficult
Yeah,
to do
yeah.
second time.
Yeah.
So I would not call it half. To look it is half,
Ah,
but to do it is 2 times difficult.
yeah.
It's okay.
This is
Okay,
the
yeah,
thing. But you
yeah.
don't worry.
Yeah.
We will be able to solve the problem. ये से बात कर रहा हूँ. So you talk to our executive and you can take the costing. You can take the
We want a referral letter.
Referral letter.
Okay.
letter also you can take from him and you can come in June or July whenever you
July,
want to.
July
yeah.
1st, inshallah, we will be back.
Sure.
That's our
Inshallah,
holiday.
we will
That's
be
our
coming
vacation
on
time.
July
Yeah.
1st.
to
No
August
problem
1st.
because anyway it's not a very emergency because you've
Yeah.
already had procedures and there's a fistula and all that. No problem. You can come
If I
in.
came, I will say and text
Yeah.
through Viber.
Sure.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. Bye bye.
Say bye.
Bye. Good
Bye.
night, Jaya. Tell
Say bye.
doctor.
Bye bye.
No,
Bye.
the thing is last midnight we came. That's why.
No problem. Bye bye.
Okay, that's
Yeah. Bye bye.
Hello.